This 2019 Crossroads Sunset Trail Super Lite 251RK is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Longs, North Myrtle Beach, South Carolina, 29568 and is offered for sale by Recreation USA. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Crossroads is 29 feet 11 inches in length and features Sleep 6, carbon monoxide detector, auxiliary battery, air conditioning, spare tire kit, refrigerator, DVD player, slide-out, oven, leveling jacks, LP detector, and 45 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features couples coach, front bedroom, rear kitchen. The unloaded weight of this 2019 Crossroads Sunset Trail Super Lite 251RK is 5,282 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.